Friends, welcome to my channel Sri Thakur. Today we will study one chapter, that is chapter number 6, and title of the chapter is Vijnanasya Chamatkaraha. Chamatkara means miracles, and Vijnan means science. Shya means of miracles of the science. You know, today science and technology have a great effect in our day-to-day life. It has shown tremendous progress in our country as well as world. So, in this chapter, we are going to study some of its importance or some of its miracles, and we will come to know different terms and technologies used for devices in Sanskrit, and we will come to know what are the use of it in Sanskrit language. The main intention of the chapter is to know the Sanskrit term for the devices we are using in our day-to-day life as well as miracles of science. So that is part 1. In part 1 we will discuss translation. In part 2 we will discuss its exercise. Vijnanasya Chamatkaraha, miracles of science. Okay. Let's start paragraph wise. Translation. Etad Vijnanasya Yogam. This is the age of science. Because every day, every now and then, in every stages and steps of life, we are using some kind of technology. That is why we can say this is the age of science. Atra tatra sarvatra vijnanasya chamatkarana vayam pasyama. Vayam pasyama, it's past person plural. We are watching, we are seeing. We see Atra tatra sarvatra. Atra means here, tatra means there, sarvatra means everywhere. Vijnanasya chamatkaran, the miracles of science. Nowadays we are finding here, there, everywhere the miracles of science. Because anywhere you go, everywhere you go, you will find some technology, some devices of science used in different purpose of work. So here, there, everywhere we find, we see the miracles of science. Now second paragraph, Esa Brahmana Bhasa. This is a telephone, or you can say mobile. Brahmana Bhasa. Jana Brahmana Bhasena Parasparam Vartalapam Kurat. Jana means people. Vartalapam Kurmandi converse. People speak to each other. Brahmana Bhasena. Parasparam means with each other. Vartalapam Kurmandi converse. People converse with each other with the help of Brahmana Bhasana means telephone, or you can say mobile. With the help of mobile, people talk with each other. Okay, this is the second paragraph. Now, third paragraph. Etat Sitakam. This is a refrigerator, or you can say fridge. Janaha Sitakasya Sita Peyam Pibanti. People drink cold water because of this refrigerator. People drink cold water at the fridge. So this is also one of the device of science and miracles of science. So etat sitakam, this is a fridge or refrigerator. Jana sitakasya sita peya, cold water. Pibanti, people drink cold water of the fridge. Okay? If fridge will not be there, we won't be getting cold water. Etat sanganam, another paragraph. Etat sanganakam, computer in Sanskrit known as sanganakam. This is computer. Yasah Sanganakam Chalayati. Yas is a name of boy. Sanganakam Chalayati. He is operating computer. So, okay. Yas is operating computer. Sanganekana Vividhani Karyani Saralam Sigram cha Bhavati. Sanganekana, with the help of computer. Vividhani Karyani, different activities, different works. Saralam means simple, Sigram means fast. Bhavanti means take place or can be accomplished. Different kinds of work easily and fast can be solved, can be done with the help of computer. With the help of work, different activities can be done fast and easily. So that is the importance of science or effect of science, or you can say miracle of science. Now another paragraph is Etadu Dura Darshanam. Every day we have great desire to watch some of the serials, some of the films through television, on television. So here it is television. Eta Duradarshanam. This is television. Jana Duradarshan Madhyamana Vartaha Chalachitrani Vividhan. there is a spelling mistake P-dhan, it will be V. Vividhan Karyakraman Pasyanti Shunandita. This is a television. Jana means people. Durdarshan Madhyamana, with the help of television. Varta means news. Chalachitra means films, movies you can say. Vividhan Karyakraman, and different programs. Pasyanti means watch. Shunanti means listen. People watch and listen news, films and different programs on television or with the help of television. So this is one of the miracle of science. Okay. Now next paragraph. Etat vimanam asti. This is an aeroplane. Vimanam akash marge chalati. Aeroplane moves in the sky. Vimana yatra, the travel in aeroplane or journeying through aeroplane. Romancham dadati, gives great pleasure. Vimanena durasthanasya yatra, to move to far away places with aeroplane, in aeroplane. Shigram, immediately purna bhamti, completes, gets accomplished. I repeat, etat vimanam asti, this is an aeroplane. Vimanam akasha marge chalati, aeroplane moves in the sky. Viman yatra, the travel in aeroplane. Romancha dadati, gives pleasure. Romancha means pleasure. Vimanena durasthanasya yatra, the travel in aeroplane to far away. Shigram punna bhavati, gets completed very fast. This is one of the device we are using nowadays because of science. So it is another miracle of science. And last, etat vyajanam, this is a fan. Vyajanam brahmanam karati, the fan keeps on moving. When you switch on the board, electricity board, then it starts moving. Vyajanam brahmanam karati, it moves on, it keeps on moving. Vyajanam tapam harati, that the fan removes heat. Tapam harati, moves nahi, removes. By mistake it is written moves, it will be removes. Vyajanam tapam bharati, fan removes heat. Whenever heatness you are feeling, that is removed by the fan or because of fan. So please change the word moves into removes. Replace it by removes. I repeat, etat vyajanam, this is a fan. Vyajanam brahmanam karati, fan keeps on moving. Vyajanam tapam bharati, fan removes the heatness or heat. So this is another miracle of science. There are several miracles. It is very difficult to explain all the devices and gadgets here in small chapter. But these many things you must learn and write answers in your notebook and start learning. Before you exit the video, subscribe to my channel, share it among your friends and like it. It will be great helpful and great inspiration for me to improve the videos, quality of videos. If you have any ideas and suggestions, please write in comment box. I'll try to rectify. And if you have any queries, please contact me in my contact details. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice time. Thank you.